this WordPress tutorial, I'm going to show you the settings section bit by bit, because this is where you actually get your WordPress site set up properly, so that it's actually the title's there and it reads properly, and it's beginning to build out and be the foundations for what you want. Spookily enough, the settings section is at the bottom of your dashboard on the left hand side. You click on it and it will open up all these various sections. Now the first one that we're in is the general section, and this is where you actually can give your website the title that you want to have. Obviously this is WP Academy, so that's my site title. The tagline is not crucial, it's not important, but it's nice to have something in there to show the reader and the viewer what the website is all about. You have to have your administration email address in there. Now this is not a membership site at this point, but if it was to be, you would tick that box and anybody can register. Now when you then come down, you need to choose the site language, whichever, clicking from the drop down box chooses what you want to have. As you can see, there's a whole variety there. And then you can choose your own time zone. Again, from the drop down box, it gives you a whole load of time zones to choose from. You choose the right one. And then the date format that you want to have, it gives you a series of options there. I've chosen that one there. That's the best one to tick, to be fair. The time format is in that time format there. And then when you're happy with all of that, what you then need to do is then click on Save Changes. You can choose actually when to start your week. I choose mine to start mine on a Monday, but you can choose it whenever you want to choose it to start. And when you're happy with all of that, you then click Save Changes, and all of those changes will then be saved, and that's when you've got the first part of starting your web care of, and that's what it looks like. If you want to get more information about WordPress, and particularly to avoid the 7 mistakes that WordPress users always make, go to wpacademy.com/blog, and you'll see the newsletter on the right hand side. You can get those sent straight to your inbox. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that are loaded up to this channel. Thanks for watching.